yesterday, had an off day. It was raining. This was a muddy creek bed with water flowing through. This was brown, couldn't see into it. So I decided to go exploring. Why not? So I found this place. I thought about it all night. I wanted to come back today. I thought it'd still be muddy. I didn't know. There's been no rain today. But as I stood up here on this bluff looking down into this hole, I could see the bottom of it. So I get down here and it's pretty clear. It's not, for yesterday, for it to look like soup, and then about 24 hours later, it's this clear. I think it could clear up a little bit more. But anyway, I think what I've found is a full-time or a year-round blue water swimming hole. And it's on public land. I'm on TWRA land, Tennessee state-owned land. It's public. They let hunters come hunt in the fall. But I don't think there's been much traffic to where I'm at right here. I don't see much trash. I don't really see a trail coming back here. I know other people know about it, but I've not found anything about it on the internet. I've typed in the name of the road. We're just outside of Columbia, Tennessee. It's Murray County. And I use an app called Land Glide, and it lets me know whose land I'm on. So yesterday when I saw this kind of from the road, I looked on my app real quick and I said, please don't let it be somebody's private land. And it wasn't. So I had to check it out. Right over here, I think is the mouth of an underwater cave. And I can tell, I think this holds water like this all year long because I can see the water line where the kind of moss that grows underwater that has to be submerged. It's still got this trash on top of it, but you can see in here. I've seen crawfish. This is amazing. So I definitely want to come back in the summer. I want to come back this week. I got to check this out. I thought I knew every swimming hole, every place to get wet. I thought I knew all that around my house, but I've missed this one. And I'm about probably 5 miles from my house. But it's way back in the middle of nowhere. It's a dead end road. I don't know if I'll give the location yet in the description because I want to come back. And I know I don't have that many followers, but I'm afraid of, I don't know, I don't want to get a lot of traffic here just yet. I don't want something to happen, even though it's on public land. I might give the location. I don't want to sound selfish. It's not hard to find at all. But my sister is coming home from Chattanooga this weekend, and she's going to be jealous when she sees this video. So she's going to want to come here and check this out, and hopefully the water is going to be a lot clearer. I'll bring the camera back and a lot more stuff. Simplest thing, if I have to, I'll just put on my full waders and walk out here in the middle of it. It's pretty deep, but I'm excited. I want to see what's out here. So I will definitely be making a second video soon. I just kind of want to put this out there. But yeah, don't think I'm waiting until summer. I got to check this out. All right, thanks for watching.